We live in a generation of change. Global warming, pandemics, extreme weather have only inspired us to make change and create a resilient future by revisiting our roots. Nature, the one source that nurtures and gives us life. Nature wastes nothing, and in the perfect world, our existence not only complements it, but helps it thrive by achieving carbon positivity. The concept of a sacred union between man and nature also runs deep in ancient cultures. Like the Chinese word for wood celebrates our place on Earth. Perhaps now is the time for us to reset by building an eco-conscious, integrated system and lifestyle.
Welcome to the Treehouse. This is a new caliber of workplace that promotes carbon positivity through cutting-edge technology, design, and management. To regulate the temperature of the building naturally, self-shading facades for upper stories are in place to avoid solar heat. As a rooftop PV system helps generate renewable energy while doubling as a shade for the roof. Natural light is introduced in the building by large PV integrated overhangs with daylight reflectors. A wind catcher captures cool air 200 meters above ground and directs the air to artificial wetland to promote natural cooling. A BIPV-CLADed solar chimney is also in place to generate natural ventilation and reduce heat transferred to the building interior. Separate temperature and humidity control allow extremely high COP chiller and high temperature chilled water above dew point to power our climate sealing system. The phase change material thermal storage provides buffer to lower peak demand and to generate chilled water at night.
The Treehouse is welcoming, and I feel like walking into nature when I come in. As the natural forms and greenery greet me, the space is airy and naturally lit, with soft breeze coming from all directions. But beyond that, I'm inspired by its carbon-positive vision. I get rewarded with eco-tokens for my sustainable office wear every day. It motivates and empowers me to step up my game and do even more. The virtual concierge also comes in handy as it automatically whisks me off to my assigned elevator when I check in on my phone. We don't come into the office every day like we used to before the pandemic, but every time I come in, I enjoy every moment with my colleagues. The office is completely versatile and supports on and off-premise work, especially with the Edge data center and virtual desktop system. Fixed desks are obsolete here, and we feel closer than ever as a team, working alongside one another at these mobile workstations. The office has been carved up in thermal zones to allow me to work at an optimum temperature based on my needs. The humidity in the office also mimics that of nature's for our best comfort. Our office is truly a seamless experience that takes into account our habits and patterns, so the space can be preconditioned for any occasion. I come to the Sky Commons communal area for my lunchtime yoga class and occasional social events. The space feels open and warm thanks to the natural daylight and breeze through the adaptable building shutters. Self-sanitizing conferencing equipment are also available for hosting meetings here, and are usually on energy-saving mode until we use them. When I leave work, I want to know that I am making strides to change the future. I want to reinvent our relationship with the Earth. Working at the Treehouse is my first step to making positive change in the world and be the catalyst to the city's chain reaction for change.
The Treehouse is not only a place for work, it sows the seed of change in our minds, reminding us that only when a man and nature come together can we make change and create a sustainable future.